Italian sculptor Aldo Flaccia arrived in Hainan in advance and spent 15 days creating the sculpture on site. The work features a female figure uplifted by waves and reborn from a shell, building a cultural dialogue between the Mediterranean and China's South China Sea, and embodying the core values of life and inclusiveness.
The Sea of Italy and the Sea of Hainan belong to the same earth. The people of China and Italy are equals. Through this sculpture, I want to convey a message of greater freedom, openness, borderlessness, and inclusiveness.
Using art as a bridge, the CICPE is also attracting Italian companies to Hainan. Leveraging the Free Trade Port's visa-free policy, this year's Expo welcomes 16 Italian companies exhibiting for the first time. Many of them, after experiencing Hainan firsthand, have expressed interest in establishing a presence there.
Thanks to Hainan's visa-free policy, we invited 16 Italian companies this time. Through the CICPE, they can quickly see, understand, and experience China's consumer environment.
From artistic exchange to economic and trade collaboration, Hainan is opening its arms and deepening international exchanges and cooperation through the CICPE platform. Lin Wo Sansha Satellite TV in Hainan for CGTN.